Hey, do you ever have a vehicle, whenever you start it up in the morning, it has a loud rattling noise and you don't have the right equipment to see exactly what's going on? We have ourselves right here a 2018 Ford Expedition. We went ahead and took everything off, but all you have to do is take off the valve covers, and the issues that we're going to be looking at are going to be these sprockets right here. So these can sprockets right here, that's what's going to be allowing our timing to adjust. So what happens with these is that these can sprockets sometimes get damaged. Let me show you exactly how they should work, and I'm going to show you a bad one. So these can sprockets right here are connected to our camshaft, and they have a locking pin. So if we grab our camshaft right here, as you can see, we cannot move it. But our bad one right here, if we hook up, check this out. So what's going on right here, this can sprocket is bad, is not locking into place. So what we need to do is fix that up. So if you ever have an issue where the engine's making a loud knocking noise, just take off your valve cover and test it out that way. Hopefully that helps.